it made a big difference to the shop cleanliness. You can see it in the air, you can feel it in the air, and that has resulted in a lot more units around the shop. So I'm Spencer Robertson. I am the Continuous Improvement Leader and Project Manager here at Pursuit Aerospace. We specialize in machining, so CNC lathe, mill. We also have special processes including plasma spray, heat treat, and EDF. Especially when doing those heavy roughing cuts. Opening the machine, just a cloud of smog and smoke coming out, lots of steam. You can definitely see the haze in the air. With these new mist collectors, huge improvement. Greatly beneficial to the shop's clean air quality, as well as our overall 5S. So when we were installing the first machine, the operators and machinists, they noticed right away, and very quickly their voices were heard that they like these, they want more. And we talked to an employee earlier on the floor, and he's very happy with his new mist collector compared to what he had before. It makes a big difference, and we will be adding more in the future. It made a big difference to the shop cleanliness. We were working with EMEC, getting the machines arranged, and we had the mist collectors coming in separately, and everything it showed up when it needed to. It's nice when you can find companies who work well together and the products fit well together. You don't have to make any special adjustments. Everything fits nicely, and it's easy to, they're easy to put on, easy to replace if needed, or change out. They mount right on top of the machines. We've been very happy.